everybody, Megan Williams here again from Experience Nissan in Aurelia. I've got a 2020 Murano right behind me, and I'm going to do a little tutorial on our remote start. That's that top button there. A lot of our vehicles are coming equipped with remote start, so let me show you the how-to so you can use it properly and the don't-dos so that it works properly. Okay guys, the don't-dos. Number one, don't have your windows down. It will not work. Number two, don't have the sunroof open. It will not work. Number three, the hood latch must be secured and closed. And number four, the other key cannot be in the car. All keys must be on the exterior. Outside. Why is this? Well, because it makes it easier for people to break in and steal your car. So if a window's down, the car is running, someone can unlock the car, get in, maybe drive away. There's other securities in system, and I will show you that after as well. But all these items must be secured, car must be secured in order for it to work. Okay, how to use the remote start. Car must be locked, so hit that lock button right there twice. 1, 2. Then hold the top button. 1, 2, 3. Let go. Voila! Your car is running now for 10 minutes, and you can do this 2 times before you physically have to go out and start the car. Inside, we still need to put our foot on the brake and push the button with the key in the car, guys. If we do not do this, let's try to switch it. It turns off on us, a security feature so people cannot steal the car. Some of our vehicles are equipped with intelligent remote start. What does this mean? Well, this means that the vehicle will set itself up for what needs to be done. So if it's cold outside, when you remote start it, it's automatically going to turn on your front defrost, your rear defrost, your heated steering wheel if equipped, and your heated seats if you left them turned on. If it's hot outside, it does know that it needs to turn on the air conditioner instead. Now, not all of our vehicles come equipped with the intelligent remote start system, but if it does, you're lucky because you don't have to set those dials the night before to remember when you remote start it. Thanks guys for watching my tutorial.